Good afternoon po, Ma'am Steph. Ako po si Hero James J. Gripalda from 11 Amazon. Papakita po dito ang evolution ng wolf. Papaliwanag po. In our work, we show the evolution of wolves that acquire wings because of the environment they grew up or develop. And that in some cases, they are predators, so they use their wings to save themselves. In addition to saving themselves, they can also catch prey using their wings. Maybe after 100 years, wolves will be more different because of their wings that will be used to catch prey in the air like bird, owl, bat. Yun lang po. Thank you.